Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1281. Subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. So let's understand the problem first. So here we are given an integer n and we basically need to find the product of its digit and the sum of its digit and then return the difference between the product and the sum. So for example, if we have n is equals to 2, 3, 4, here, so the digits are 2, 3 and 4. So the product of 2 into 3 into 4 is 24 and sum is 9. So the result will be product minus the sum. So the product was 24 minus the sum, that is 9. So 24 minus 9 is 15. So the output for n is equal to 2, 3, 4 should be 15. So here our approach will be very simple here. So we will extract the digits one by one using the modulus operator, modulo by 10. So for each digit we will update two things. We will multiply it into the product and then add it into the sum. Then at the last we will remove the last digit by dividing n by 10. And once all the digits are proceeded, we will subtract the sum from the product and then return it. So this is basically a very straightforward approach with order of log n time complexity since because we are processing each digit once. So now let's walk through the code and understand it. First we will initialize int product is equals to 1 and then sum is equals to 0. So here we have initialized product is equal to 1 to hold the product of digits and sum is equal to 0 to hold the sum of the digits. So here the product is equal to 1 because if we have kept if product is equal to 0, then if you multiply the numbers and that, so any number into 0 will give us 0. So that's why product is 1 and sum is 0. Then we will loop until the n becomes 0 extracting the digits. So while n is not equal to 0, we will modulus it and digit is equals to n modulo 10. And then we will product the digits. Here, product is equals to digit into product. Yes. Then we will sum the digits. Sum is equals to digit plus sum. And then we will divide it by 10 equals to 10. Then we will basically return the difference between the product and the sum. And answer is equals to product minus sum and then return answer. Now let's run and check it. So here our solution basically runs in order of log n times since the number of digits is n and about log base 10 of n. So the space complexity is your order of 1 because we use only one few variable. So that's how we solve LeetCode problem number 1281. So if you have any doubts, please comment. Otherwise, like, share and subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.